Hello everyone, welcome to my vegan cooking channel. If you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I uploaded a new video. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how I cook my vegan tofu steak. If you are Filipino, I'm sure you already know about the beef steak or bistek Tagalog. If you're not, this is a flavorful yet simple combination of tender beef and sauteed onions in marinade made of soy sauce with calamansi juice. Tofu is a great protein, especially useful for lightening up meat based on recipes. I use tofu most of my dishes. If you go to the grocery store, make sure you'll get the right tofu, like firm or extra firm. And if you are going to fry the tofu, make sure that you will pat it dry with paper towels to absorb the liquids, like just I'm doing right now. And I'm going to slice this tofu and chop some mushrooms, garlic, and onions. After you chopping some of the vegetables, heat a medium size of frying pan or skillet over medium-high heat and pour olive oil. And once it's hot, fry the tofu until it's golden brown and crisp. And season with ginger powder and celery salt. Once the tofu are cooked, transfer it into a plate with paper towel and with the same pan, saute the round onions for 1 minute and set aside. And once you done saute the onions, add another more olive oil and saute the garlic for about 2 minutes. And add your mushrooms and saute for about 3 minutes. And while waiting with the mushrooms to be cooked, let's slice the fried tofu. The mushrooms is almost done, and let's add a 1/2 cup of soy sauce and black pepper and a little bit of water. Then add the fried tofu, onions, and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the steak have cooked, sprinkle with the green onions and serve with fresh steamed rice. And that is my vegan tofu steak. I hope you all enjoy this video and enjoy cooking and happy eating.